Hi there, I'm Andy Mack, and in this tutorial we're going to look at how you can make your own custom drum kits inside MPC Beats by utilizing different sounds and samples. This is a great technique to really make your own kits, so let's dive straight in. Building your own custom drum kits inside MPC Beats is a real easy process. Using samples and expansions is a great way to keep creating so you can focus on music. So first, let's make a new program. Let's make sure that we have the drum icon selected, and then we press the plus sign, and this will create an empty program. Now we can name this program. We can just simply right click, rename. So let's call this Custom Beats Kit. Now that we've named our kit, press do it, and now let's navigate to our expansion browser. So here we can access all of the sounds that you've got inside MPC Beats. So let's use the ADR Lo-Fi production collection. Go to samples. Let's go down to snaps, and then to use that, we just simply drag it onto the pad. Now let's go to a kick. Again, we can preview all these. That's quite hard. Let's pull that one on there. And then we can go to hats. Let's pull a few of these onto our pads. And we can also layer on top of our drums. So let's take our snap, and then we take a clap, hold down Control, and now you'll see the layer pop up in red. Now you've got up to 4 layers per pad. So now that we've layered that pad, and let's play our kit. Now let's add some more sounds to our pads. Let's go down to another expansion. We're going to go to Linear Sounds, to Trap Soul and Lo-Fi Beats. Go under Lo-Fi. Let's go to snares. Let's add a few more textures to our kit. Let's do the underwater snare. Let's do some ambient percussion, and let's go to some melodics. So go under loops, music. So we can drag this straight into our pad. Now, as these are time stretched, we can punch in a new tempo, and the loop will stretch straight to the tempo. We can also search for samples using our media browser. This means that we can filter by genre, by expansion, by different sound and family types. This means that you can find the sounds that you're looking for without compromising your workflow. So for example, let's say we want to find everything that's lo-fi. So we press the lo-fi tab, and now that shortlists everything that's lo-fi. Go to vocal. And now we can drag these sounds directly onto our pads. So let's look at music loops. Drag that onto our pad. And now we can create an idea. Don't forget to download MPC Beats. It's completely free and you can start making beats today. See you next time.